Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you're a student right now, you already know we are living in a completely new era of education. I mean, you literally have more AI tools at your fingertips than any generation before us. But let's be honest for a second. That abundance, it's kind of a double-edged sword. With new options popping up almost daily, it's incredibly hard to know which ones are actually worth your time. So we're cutting through the noise today. We're going to break down the top 7 AI productivity tools for students in 2026, basing this all on features, usability, and actual, real-world academic value. But first, we've got to address the elephant in the room. Are you completely drowning in assignments, endless research, and those looming deadlines? The student overwhelm trap is very, very real. You're out there juggling lectures, reading materials, exam prep, and now you're supposed to somehow figure out 50 different AI apps? No way. The real struggle here is finding tools that actually save you time, instead of just becoming another complicated distraction that you have to manage. We want tools that do the heavy lifting for us, right? So, here is our roadmap for tackling these academic battles today. We're covering 1. All-in-one study companions. 2. Deep research and lecture hacks. 3. Writing and presentation power-ups. And finally, 4. Building your ultimate AI stack. Let's get right into it. Starting off with Section 1, All-in-one study companions. These are the absolute foundations for your workflow. Coming in at number 1 is Notion AI. Now, this isn't just some basic notepad. It actually combines note-taking, task management, project planning, and built-in AI assistance all inside a single unified workspace. Just imagine generating a master study plan, summarizing your biology notes, and tracking your deadlines without ever having to switch tabs. It's amazing. The only real downside here, well, it does have a notoriously steep learning curve when you're first setting it up. But if you want an all-in-one productivity system to basically act as the second brain for your academic life, it's absolutely one of the strongest options available. Next up at number 2 is ChatGPT. It is still one of the absolute most versatile AI tools out there for literally any student. Need some rapid-fire brainstorming, coding help, or maybe you need to untangle incredibly complex, obscure concepts? It's totally got you covered. Its biggest strength is just pure flexibility. However, its main disadvantage is that it can sometimes hallucinate facts or give you these overly generic answers, so you absolutely cannot blindly trust it for hard academic citations. And that dynamic perfectly illustrates the difference between our first 2 tools. You're going to turn to Notion AI when you need that all-in-one system. It's all about structure and keeping your life neatly filed away. But you turn to ChatGPT for ultimate flexibility, dynamic problem-solving, and free-flowing brainstorming. They serve very different but equally vital roles in your day-to-day. Moving on to Section 2, Deep Research and Lecture Hacks. This is all about gathering and digesting information. Coming in at number 3 is Perplexity. If research is your top priority right now, you're going to want to listen closely. Unlike other AI chatbots, Perplexity's whole entire focus is providing source-backed answers with real, actual citations. It is a total game changer for those heavy academic reports where you actually have to prove exactly where your facts came from. The trade-off? Well, it is much more rigid and far less creative than ChatGPT. But for verifying facts and hunting down sources, it will literally save you hours. So, to put it simply, think of ChatGPT as your brainstorming buddy for getting those creative juices flowing and outlining your thoughts. But Perplexity? That's your strict, no-nonsense academic librarian. When you need to write a paper that requires a proper bibliography and verified facts, Perplexity is the tool you pull off the shelf. Tool number 4 takes us straight into the lecture hall. You know, specifically those brutal 8 a.m.s where you're just struggling to keep your eyes open. Enter Otter.ai. It records and transcribes your lectures in real time. This means you can actually sit back, engage, and just listen instead of frantically trying to scribble down half sentences. Plus, those searchable transcripts, they are completely invaluable for exam prep. Just keep in mind, it can occasionally struggle if the speaker has a heavy accent or uses highly obscure technical jargon, so always double-check your transcript for small errors. Rounding out this section at number 5 is Google NotebookLM. Instead of relying on general internet knowledge, NotebookLM acts as a personal study assistant trained exclusively on your own uploaded documents. You literally just feed it your class PDFs and notes, and it summarizes them, answers your questions, and even generates these incredible audio overviews. It's kind of like having a tutor who read the exact same syllabus you did. The only downside is that it won't search the wider live web for you. It strictly only knows exactly what you feed it. Which brings us to Section 3, Writing and Presentation Power-Ups. Time to polish that final output. Tool number 6 is an absolute staple, and you probably already know it, Grammarly. Because writing is such a major part of student life, having a reliable writing assistant is just non-negotiable. Grammarly actively tightens up your clarity, adjusts your tone, and elevates the overall writing quality for professional essays and reports. Now, you do have to be a little careful not to let it strip away your personal writing voice with its overly formal suggestions. But honestly, it is completely unmatched for ensuring your final essays look polished and highly professional. And tool number 7 is Canva AI. Look, creating presentations used to mean stressing out over layouts for hours on end. Canva AI totally removes that friction, letting you quickly generate stunning, professional presentations and graphics with absolutely zero design experience. It is incredibly easy to learn. The main disadvantage? Honestly, it's almost too fun. You might actually find yourself procrastinating by playing around with AI image generation and picking cool fonts instead of actually practicing your presentation. All right, final section, section 4, building your ultimate AI stack. Let's talk about combining these tools for maximum efficiency. Let's do a quick recap and hand out some awards here so you know exactly which tool fits your needs. Best overall productivity tool? That goes to Notion AI. Best research tool for hard citations? Perplexity. Best writing assistant? Grammarly, for sure. Best learning companion for your syllabus? NotebookLM. And finally, best all-purpose AI assistant goes to ChatGPT. So, what does this actually look like as a daily workflow? Check this out. Step 1. You walk into class and hit record on Otter.ai to transcribe the lecture while you actively listen. Step 2. You take that transcript along with your assigned PDFs and toss them into NotebookLM to generate an audio overview for your commute home. Step 3. You drop those refined insights right into Notion AI, where your coursework and deadlines are all neatly organized. Bam! You've just built an incredibly highly efficient engine for learning. Now hold on a second. Before you rush out and try to download all 7 of these, hear me out. You do not need every single tool. Seriously, trying to use all of them at once will just recreate that exact overwhelm we talked about earlier. Stop chasing every shiny new object. Just pick 1 or 2 tools that solve your most painful academic challenge today. For most students, combining Notion AI for structure, ChatGPT for brainstorming, and NotebookLM for personal study is honestly the absolute sweet spot for productivity. Because at the end of the day, these AI tools have the power to save you hours every single week. So I'm going to leave you with this question. Which tool will you use today to reclaim your time? Pick your biggest bottleneck, choose your tool, and get your time back. If you found this explainer helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tool reviews and productivity explainers. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.